everyone, welcome to 30 Something Beauty. I am Cassandra Thompson, your 30 something makeup loving normal gal making videos here on YouTube for other 30 somethings. So welcome if this is your first time. If it's not, welcome back. Today we are doing Sephora Play and Ipsy in the same video. I have been breaking these up, but there's a lot of stuff this month, and so I don't have time to do them separate, so we're putting them together. We're gonna start with Ipsy. So both of these, in case you don't know, are subscription boxes. You get them once a month. They're basically $10 each. One of them has tax, so it's just like slightly more. But Ipsy, you always get a makeup bag. I don't like this month. Also, how many makeup bags can you use? Like, great that it's in there, but this will be given away. It's cute. It's just not my style. So got the makeup bag. This month was a bit of a miss. So first I received this brush. It is a shader brush from Moda, R&L Moda. I haven't used it yet. I don't know. Because this is not the kind, can you see that? Like, that is not the kind of eye brush I like. It's a little too fluffy. I like a really, really flat lay for this kind of application, but I'll try it. We'll see. Then, really excited about this, I got another pore tightening mask. If I get one more pore refining, pore tightening mask, I'm gonna lose my mind. Like, I have so many. I finally just finished the Boscia one. There are many more to go. So I got this. This might be given away because I just feel like I have too many now. Like, why am I hoarding them? And it's not really something I need at this time either. Okay, so then I got this blush from Steve Laurent, which, can we take a minute? Can we take a minute and look at how dark that is? Also, it's got shimmer in it, which isn't gonna come across, but holy moly. It even swatches pretty unevenly. Doesn't blend real nicely, so I'm really nervous about using it. I have a dark one. Okay, in the NYX Sweet Cheeks. This dark one can actually at times apply beautifully. I'm nervous about this. I'm gonna try it one day when my makeup doesn't matter. When is that day? I say things like that, like, oh, one day when it, like, you know, who cares? No, it's gonna have to be like one night when I'm home and just decide to test it out, because normally if I'm putting makeup on, it's because I'm going somewhere, so I want it to look okay. Whatever. Okay. Then I got this lip gloss from Dirty Little Secret that is, like a very nude pearlescent pink. Not real sure. I don't even know if it'll, like, well, there's still stuff on my hand. Hold on, let's do the other hand. I mean, that's nothing, basically. Okay, so I will give it credit that at least it's not crazy. Oh, it kind of smells like a pina colada. No, it smells like vanilla cake mix. It smells exactly like, I don't know where I got pina colada from first. It smells exactly like the Glossier birthday cake, yellow cake mix lip gloss. Okay, so from this, I thought it was gonna be really pearlescent. It's coming off prettier on my hand, even though you can't really see it. So I will try it. Maybe it's better than, and it tastes like cake. Maybe it's better than I thought. I take everything back. I take it all back. In fact, maybe we should try it because I hate what I'm wearing right now. I do have on a lip gloss that I'll show you that's from the Sephora Play that I like. And I like this color. I just don't like this color with my eyeshadow. I don't think it was the best. Let me take this off and let's try that. Hold on. Okay, so don't judge that now I don't have the cleanest lip line, but it's basically like a Your Lips But Better kind of gloss. So I like it. That's nice on like a Saturday when you run into the store. See, once again, I'm having to give like, no, on this kind of day, that's when I'll use it. I don't know. But it's pretty. It does taste like cake mix. Also, sorry again if you're hearing residual noise. I have the microphone on, so hopefully it's just me, but I have an old neighbor and he plays everything so loud. Like, I can tell you he's watching Fox News right now. And the birds, the parrots are up, guys. The parrots are up. So if you hear whistling in the background, that's the parrot. So sorry about all that. Okay, so anything else? Was that it? 1, 2, 3, 4. What am I missing? Oh, it just fell. Okay, so I got nothing from a company I know. Like, I mean, Dirty Little Secrets I know because I've gotten it in Ipsy's before, but I got no high-end brand unless BioRace is a high-end brand. So this was kind of disappointing because the last thing is from a company called Knots, and it's Once Finishing Cream for my hair. I mean, whoop-de-doo. Maybe this will go in like my travel makeup bag, but just kind of a disappointment, right? Like, at least this turned out better than I thought, but everything else, it's just funny looking at it because I remember being like opening it, right? I'm like, oh, it's kind of a miss month, and now I'm feeling like, oh no, you really hated this. Like, it was bad. So not the best Ipsy month. Makes me think I need to go in and review again, make some new notes. They do seem to listen and take notice, so that's why I like Ipsy. Every now and then you get a bad month, but they do pay attention when you then say like, hey, if I get one more pore refining mask, I'm gonna lose my mind. And then they quit sending you them. So that's good. Okay. So the Sephora bag this time says make it snappy, and I love that it's like the pink with the green. This is very in right now. Has anyone seen there's like a whole color palette of this at Nordstrom? It's very like prep 80s to me, which I'm okay with. So this time, this was a hit or miss. Some items I really like, some I'm kind of on, and I think I'm partly just disappointed because I looked on my subscription addiction and they revealed what was coming in all the boxes, and I think it's just that there was a lot of good stuff this month, and so other people got things that I was kind of like super interested to try, so I'm just bummed that I didn't get those other things. But really it's just being greedy because I want the things that are in here and I want their things. Okay, so first one I saw that I am excited by is an Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Lip Gloss. It has a minty scent, which I love. It's got a very prismatic glitter in it. That's what I had on before. Let's see. I don't know if that's gonna do it justice. Cause in here it looks kind of like Barbie doll craziness, and maybe it is a little bit, but I liked it. Okay, this is one of the things I don't care about. Philosophy Purity Made Simple Moisturizer. Like, hey, you know what we're gonna put in your bag? The most boring moisturizer known to man. It's got nothing in it. It's just there to make you have glowing, dewy, and smooth skin with less visible pores. But the whole thing is Purity is just like a very, very light moisturizer that doesn't have a lot of extra because some people are allergic, so great for those people. But like, I want some stuff that's gonna do some things. So, I mean, it's just boring. Like, okay, it's a boring moisturizer. I just wasn't wowed. The other one, I'm going to the ones I'm kind of on first, and then we'll come back to the ones that are good. I got a Makeup Forever Ultra HD Perfector Blurring Skin Tint with Sunscreen. So here's my thing with this. Number one, I think it's way too dark. So I'm gonna use this as a bronzer. I mean, I'm gonna have to get real tan. I understand it's a skin tint, but that's dark. I'm gonna use that literally to tint my skin to be dark and tan. So maybe I'll use it on top of foundation or mix it in with foundation, because the other thing I was gonna say is skin tints really do tint. Like tinted moisturizers sometimes do more than skin tints. I have a Rimmel one that I'm gonna use as a primer one day. God only knows when, but it will happen. That's what it's sitting there for. But yeah, so just kind of like, all right, it's fine. Okay, let's talk about a perfume sample we all know I can get behind. Elizabeth and James Bourbon. So this I was excited because I saw that this was an option. I haven't put this on yet today. I saw that this was an option for the perfume, and I mean, this is my favorite scent of all time, and you know, who cares that I have a full size of the perfume, a roller ball, another mini roller ball at work, and a small size of the perfume at work. I mean, you guys, that's beside the point. At least it's one I will actually use and I like. Maybe this will go in my travel bag so I just have my favorite perfume on me in a really small size all the time. Okay. Two things that I'm kind of like meh about, or like I like, but I'll tell you my caveat. Well, one I like. So this is from Kiehl's. This is Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate. It has 12.5% vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. Now this is what I'm talking about. This little purity made simple. It's simple, it's so easy on your skin. I want something that's gonna do some stuff. So this I'm excited to try, and I need all the line reducing I can get, and I'm excited to try it with a derma roller. So this will probably get used on Sunday. Okay, now the next thing. Super cool that this was in here, but I don't know if it's enough that it'll do anything. And that is the Dr. Dennis Gross Fights Wrinkles While You Sleep Ferulic and Retinol Wrinkle Recovery Peel. So they're big. You get 2 of them. And I've used the Dennis Gross, Dr. Dennis Gross, Alpha Beta Peel pads. I really like the Alpha Beta Peel Glow pads because you get your tan at the same time, but they're just so freaking expensive. But here's my thing with this. It says, wake up to better skin, supercharge your regimen with a high-performance dose of retinol that acts in 2 ways. As a peel to help smooth the look of wrinkles, and as an anti-aging vitamin to help skin look firmer. But it says on here, it says on here on the instructions, for optimal use, use 2 to 3 times a week in the PM. In PM. It still sounds weird. So here's my thing with that is they gave me 2. Now I'm sure the full size big pack of these is like bonkers. I'm sure I'm holding at least $10, $15 in my hands right now, but you gave me 2 and you say I need 2 to 3 a week for optimal use, so my skin's gonna look good for 1 week. Like, other stuff at least, I mean, as much as I just made fun of this will at least last me a couple of weeks. This should last a while, more than a week. So it's like, you gave me 2? That part I'm kind of bummed on. But we'll see how they work, and if they're really good, maybe they will be something I purchased at the 20% off at the holiday. You do all realize, right, that like, once the 15% VIB is over, I just save all my money for Nordstrom anniversary sale, and then I save all my money for the holidays. Like, I go in waves. That's it. In between is like drugstore. That's when you'll see me do drugstore buys. I really got to get my hands in frame. Sorry. So anyway, it's a lot of rambling in this video. My apologies. So that is it. If you want Ipsy or Sephora Play and want to get this little gift for yourself in the mail, as much as I complain, it is fun. I think the Sephora Play was improving. It is improving from the last couple months. I'm just annoyed about this. But other than that, it was an improvement. Ipsy is great because as long as you're in there doing the reviews, it'll get better. You just sometimes have off months, and that's how it's gonna be. But if you want either, I'll have links to both below. And that's it for this video. Be sure to share it with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't already. Give it a thumbs up if you like the monthly subscription box videos. And right now you should be getting suggestions of other videos I think you'd like. So please keep watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.